Hi, I'm Abdul Manzoor Ahmed. I'm basically in healthcare industry for more than 15 years. I started my career in 1996 as a laboratory technician after completing my diploma in laboratory technologies, and then I started my BSc in biochemistry. The whole of my experience started when I started my career in laboratory, where the leaders who was helping me to proceed, they gave me good idea about the importance of doing the right thing at the right time, and also emphasizing and customer satisfaction. Mostly we focused on customer satisfaction. So that was the background, gave me some good idea what quality is and how we need to satisfy our customers. Uh, After completing my bachelor's in biochemistry, I moved to UAE. I worked there for around 13 years as in various roles in healthcare, from starting as a laboratory technician to biochemist to quality manager, laboratory quality manager, and quality manager for hospitals. And I moved my career like that. I have a good exposure in CAP accreditations, ISO 15189, JCA accreditation for hospitals, JCA for laboratory, and JCA for hospitals, and ISO standards including 19,000, 14,000, and 18,000. And group of clinics at corporate level, which was the first time in the UAE. Uh, Back to basics. When I was a biochemist working in a laboratory, that gave me some idea about what is statistics really, how the statistics improving the quality or performances in the laboratory. That gave me good idea in field. Then I started focusing on um, statistical tools to implement the quality and controlling the processes. And then I wanted to improve myself, and with a background or theoretical knowledge. So I moved to Masters in Quality, Masters in Quality Management from University of Wollongong in Dubai campus. I completed my Masters in Quality Management. That gave me some basic idea about how to move further with the quality management in wide level. After my Masters in Quality, then I become quality manager for laboratories, and I did some project which I said about CAP accreditation and then 15189 and etc. Then same time I did my MBA also. That gave me some administrative ideas. Now I'm working as a senior quality manager in a government hospital, the public hospitals. I'm managing about performance improvement, risk management, and incident management, patient experience and satisfaction surveys, patient safety, infection control, EHSMS, that is environment, health and safety management, doing audits of internal and external, of second party and third party. I'm a certified EFKM assessor. I'm licensed to do EFKM assessment for Dubai Quality Awards and Sheikh Khalifa Excellence Awards. And also I'm managing the compliance and accreditations. So these are all the departments where it gave me a good idea about using quality tools within these areas. I believe most of these areas are important in healthcare industry to use all these quality tools. Initially, at the various levels, so far we established around 350 KPIs across the organizations. When it says KPI, key performance indicator, before it was just collecting data and analyzing and configuring it, drawing some conclusions. That's what KPI was used. When I took position as a quality manager, I introduced Lean Six Sigma within all KPI managements. The KPI all designed with the importance of Lean Six Sigma. Actually, that is an introduction to some area of the organization, gave introduction about the lean process in organization. Now most of the departments, they understand very well about the lean process, and I have successfully signed off around 200 KPIs with some improvement level. At present, I'm managing around 150 KPIs, which all more lean, and there's some part of DAMAC concepts also, but it is not really exactly as a DAMAC concepts. And also, I have established around 20 different cross-functional teams, including committees. I'm managing almost 20 committees. I'm leading in some committees and also co-leader of these some of the committees and member of some committees. Here, the Six Sigma Master Black Belt program have seen a wonderful insight from the, I would say maybe I would like to thank VK for being a lead instructor. The reason why I'm saying lead and instructors, most of the participants in this lead Master Black Belt program as instructors, they were giving some good idea about their process and their function, so that gives me some good idea about how quality or lean process happens in across the industries. So I'd like to thank VK and also all the participants in this course for giving me some good idea about Lean Six Sigma to move me further forward, further with lean concepts. Thank you.